Hello everyone, all are doing well in Pink of Health. So in this lecture children, I am going to start with chapter 1, that is number system. Here we'll be following Indian place value chart as well as international place value chart. First I'll explain Indian system. This you have done in your classroom as well. If we look at place value chart which is made according to Indian system, first we have periods. Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. Ones period has 3 digits: ones, tens, hundred. Thousands period has 2 digits: thousands, 10,000. Lakhs period has 2 digits: lakh, 10 lakh. Crore period has 2 digits: crore, 10 crore. Don't worry children, in 4th standard you have to learn up to here. Like ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. If you'll recite it 5 times, you'll be able to understand this chapter. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Ones period 3 digits, thousands period 2 digits, lakhs period 2 digits. Ones period has 3 digits: ones, tens, hundred. Thousand period has 2 digits: thousands, 10,000. Lakhs period has 2 digits: lakh, 10 lakh. Crore periods has 2 digits: crore, 10 crore. Suppose you are given a number and you have to separate the periods. Here the number is 1723197. What is the way to separate the periods? To separate the periods, we put commas. Starting from the ones place, ones, tens, hundred, comma. Thousand, 10,000, comma. Ones period, thousand period, lakhs period. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So to separate periods, we put commas. Let's take another example. A number is written 456342. First step, to put commas to separate the periods. Ones, tens, hundred, comma, thousand, 10,000, comma. Now, as in addition and subtraction, we were writing the small place value chart on the statement. Similarly, we will be writing here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Now, what is the number name? 4 lakh. These two will be spoken together. 56,342. So children, in exercise 1.1, you have sums of Indian system as well as of international system. First you will be doing all the sums of Indian system, then you will start with the international system. Like you will be having question of putting commas. There will be 2 questions in your book. Put commas according to Indian system, then put commas according to international system. So first you will be putting commas according to Indian system. You will be doing that part. Then means your exercise 1.1, question number 1. Spaces there in the book. You will write answers on the book itself. Clear? Then You have first sum, you have put commas according to Indian system. Then I'll explain how to write number in words.